Hi, this is Untitled Parts Pro. Today with 2014 Range Rover, stock number 7021. This ran from 2011 to the 8th 2015. Is a now 538 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the L538 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear aftermarket 22-inch wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dent, right hand tail light, right rear 22-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front aftermarket 22-inch wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,